Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to MoneyMe credit card account online. So let's get started without further ado. Start off by opening up a web browser of your choice. Once you are done, go to the search box at the top and type in www.moneyme.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site for MoneyMe, click on the login button at the top right hand corner. You'll then need to enter your email followed by your 4-digit passcode. Type in your email and the passcode in the respective text boxes. If you don't remember your passcode, you can click on the Forgot Passcode link. After typing in your correct 4-digit passcode, you'll be redirected to the main homepage for MoneyMe. Once you're logged in, click on the Credit Cards tab and you should be able to log in and access your MoneyMe credit card account with a few simple steps. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again soon with the next tutorial video. Goodbye till then.